Down, down, down. Welcome to episode 4 of this bike giveaway. I'm going to kick off today by trying to find out what's happening with this rear wheel. There's a metallic sound in there and I just can't quite see what's going on, so I'm going to have to pop it off and see what's affecting it. So I will whip this wheel back off. Come with me, you loosen. Done. Now, to enter this draw, you need to be collecting the keywords. There's a keyword on each video. They will be critical to the draw because we will do a live stream, and the winner will need to give them out, those keywords. When I call, we need to give them out. And that's terms and conditions, basically. To sound too boring and technical, but that's how it needs to be. To make sure you're an actual fan of the show. Is this a show? Jesus, is that what I've become? No. Make sure you're a fan of me pottering around my shed. Then that's how that needs to be. Come off, wheel. What are you binding on? What are you metally noising on? What's going on? It sounds like that when it's ringing. Can you see on camera there? Let me do that. Right. Let me take you out. Put you there. Right. So when I spin the wheel, it sounds like that's snagging on something. It might be that. There's a tiny lump there, tiny raised bit. Oh, and a bit rough there. Okay, well, let's have a look. And it must be rubbing on something around the outside of this. And you see that bit there, slightly bent. Only a fraction of a millimetre, but it is slightly bent. So can we slightly unbend it in a very loutish way with a gentle tap? Let's have a look. If we put that there, we'll give it a gentle. Oh, look, it's like a panel beater doing a bit of fine tuning. I don't know. What did I say about my competition? Keywords, people watching. That's what we need. I don't know. I can't think about doing bike stuff and talk at the same time. Maybe I'm in the wrong job. Right. Some cleanings around this up. Come on. I don't know, I mean, it all looks pretty good to me. And then there's that one bit on there with my fingertips. You're not on camera, Ben. Let's hope it's on that camera there. Right. that might be it. There's a little blemish there. And when it's spinning, it does sound metallic, like ringing, and everything else has got a thud to it. So it's got to be that, because it's a ringy noise. So let's de-ring it by taking that little burr off. So when I'm spinning this wheel, it's getting a metally sort of noise, you know, something like that. Because everything else that you tap on, this thud, solid, you know, everything on the hub there, nothing there makes a ringing noise, so it must be this. Now, looking at this, can you see how it doesn't? It sits close up there and far away there. I think it's slightly out around. Yes, I reckon it is. So I'm going to be very loutish. Just put my screwdriver in there. And just encourage that away from there a fraction. Now that's rough. Does that show up on camera? I can feel it with my fingertips. It's a little bit rough there, but that looks a bigger gap there, and then that looks a smaller gap there. So just try and do that. But yeah, that bit there definitely looks narrower there. And it's probably just had a tiny knock at some point. How are we looking? It still looks skew-iffed, doesn't it? It still looks like that. That's better. That's kind of, I pushed it a little bit more. Don't want to push it much, I don't want to burger it up. I'm going to put that on and give it a little test. So, brake pads back in. Line up, wiggle it in. Come on, you can go in. Why aren't you going in? Why aren't you going in? Oh, that's in. It's in. Stop the clock. Right. Axle. Washer. Okay. Let's try it before I... Oh God, I'm so good. Right. That was it. That was what it was. So... shattered. Wrestling with things. Never feel. That should be just snug. Perfect. Right. Nip you down. have a little feel of you. Yeah, it's nice. It's only 10mm. Don't get too giddy with it. And then castle knot. To there. Lovely. And I think that all feels a bit sexy and lovely. So we'll put that back on there. I'm glad I've got two cameras, or you'd have to be looking at my bum crack right now. Oh. Yeah. We found it. Feels nice. Spin. Cool. Split pin. I haven't got a split pin to think of. Oh, losing tools because I've got nowhere to work. What do I need? Split pin. Come on, you must have a split pin, Ben. Must have a split pin. Look in your box of stuff. No, something I need to order. Split pins. Right. Wheels on. Oh my god, progress. What else do I need to put on? That side piece. It's here. Let's have that on. You ready? Momentous occasion. For the first time in years, the Virago sits on its own two wheels. Ready? And there's problems jacking up with ratchet straps. There's no gentle letdown. So he does it like that. Don't copy me, please. That's no way to hoist things at all. It's loutish. Now this goes on here, but I've got a feeling the rectifier goes on those bolts as well. Oh, we're getting some bolts. Oh no, the rectifier goes on those ones below. Okay, that makes sense. So we'll have that on. You sit there, rectifier. I need an Allen key. And whatever was in there, is it the same size thread as that? Certainly is. We'll have to have a look for them. Allen key of a 6mm size. Okay. I feel like there's something else fastened on there, but I can't think. So we'll put that rectifier on so that it's out of my way. look like 10mm bolts. Are they captive there? Do we need a nut? We don't need a nut. We can put that behind because that's captive in there. Let's see, up there for thinking, down there for dancing. You in there. That is a brand new rectifier from Yambits. We need that 10mm. I'm saying we need 10mm, is it? No, they're smaller than 10mm. That's because that's a 12 and they are actually 10mm. Come on. Sweet. I'm going to leave that down for now because I'm not touching electrics just yet. Oh, I'm pleased with that. That metallic sound solved. And I got that bar. What do you call that bar with it? I don't know. It's a bit of a frame, whatever it is. Anyway, important stuff. Today's keyword. Did you spot it? Bit different today. So to enter this competition, fill in the Google form down in the description and make sure you put in your email address, phone number and name. You are committing to be available for the live draw. It will be a live stream and I will ask for the keywords on the live stream. If you don't have the keywords, you don't win. It's that easy. And remember, if you win this bike, you also agree that you have a license and you will insure and tax it. I will MOT it so we know it's roadworthy. That's the best I can promise. I'm not delivering it. I'm not finding it around for months waiting for you to collect it. If you haven't collected it within 2 weeks of the draw, I will redraw it. Is that everything? Is that all the admin? I think that's all the admin. Right, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that stuff YouTube has said, do all that stuff. You know what to do. Bye.